Our question is U15 is given 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 11, 13 and 14. These elements, you notice here that all these elements are prime to 15. That means prime to 15, actually this is a group. First I tell you, there are two type of group with respect to modulo n. There are two operation already I have defined. One is addition modulo n and one is multiplication modulo n. So if I write Zn, then this set is with respect to addition. That means in Zn we take the element up to n minus 1 and operation we take addition modulo n from 0 to n minus 1. If I take n here, suppose I take the n in Zn, then what happen? Now in addition modulo, this number is divided by n, 0 is the remainder, 0 is the remainder. So what happen? This n become congruent to 0. That means the further element, if I say n plus 1 belong to Zn, then what happen? This congruent to 1. So like this, the elements larger than n minus 1 will start repeating themselves again. Therefore, this set contains n element. If I am asked what is the order of Zn, this is the question, order of Zn, then order of a group is the number of element in the group. That means there are n elements, so order is n. Similarly, Un is set with respect to multiplication modulo n, and the elements in these sets are the integer less than from 1 to n minus 1. But these all integers are co-prime to n, or you can say that the common divisor, greatest common GCDV is 1. That means other way I take, suppose there are element I, this I varies from 1 to n minus 1 and GCD of I n is equal to 1. That means this has element which are the greatest common divisor is 1. That means they are co-prime, these elements. So here we can see this n is replaced by 15. Then this become U15, and the elements we can take, because the operation is multiplication modulo, so definitely we cannot consider 0 in it. So we take 1 because 1 is co-prime. Second, 2, 3 we cannot take because 3 has common element 3, common divisor. So we can take 4, 5 we cannot take, 6 we cannot take. So thereafter we take 7 and 8 we can take, 10 we can 9 we cannot take because the common divisor of 9 and 15 is 3. 3 can divide, so we can take thereafter 11. 10 we cannot take because 10 is divided by 5 and 15 also divided by 5. So another element we take 13 and 14. So these elements we can take. Now simply we can consider what is the order. Now just match this set 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 11, 13, 14. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So order of U15 become 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So order is the number of element in the group. Now other thing, we can also check that whether this is a group or not simply by the closure property. If you want to check, we easily can check this is a group. Now this we have found answer of this, order of U15 is 8. Now we have to find order of 2. Now order of 2, because the operation is multiplication, what is the order of an element? The least positive integer. The definition of order of an element is the least positive integer and if order of an element, suppose I say A, is if A n is equal to E. That means the power, the least positive order of an element A, this is the element A, is A n is equal to E, where A is element of G. So simply we have to find the order of 2. Order of 2, that means the operation is multiplication. We keep multiplying unless we receive 1. That means 2 into 2 4, into 2 8, into 2 16. So this is total 16. Now if 16 I divide by 15, I get the 1 remainder. So order of 2 is 4. Now order of 7. Order of 7 means 7 into 7 divided by 15. This become 49 and I divide with 14, it become 15 into 3 45, that means it is 4. Again I multiply 7 and divide by 15, that is 28 by 15, this become 13. Again I multiply 7 and divide by 15, then this become 91 divided by 15, this is by 6, 15 into 6, 90, that become 1. That means how many times I did 1, or this I can say 1, and this 7 is third 7, and this 7 is fourth 7. That mean order of 7 is 4. Order of 7 is 4. So this is the way we can find the order of element, order of the group.